India is home to 1.2 billion people with different traditions, languages, cultures and beliefs. While the nation continues to progress in the fields of science and technology, industrial development, agriculture, trade and commerce, trying to merge as a superpower, yet on the other side is the paradox of poverty. On one side, the nation faces an increase in unemployment of youth, while on the other side, in the states where Help a Child of India has a presence in Bihar, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Manipur, Odisha, Punjab and some parts of West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, children are pushed into child labor due to extreme conditions of poverty. 80% of working children live in villages where most of them work in agriculture, household industries and home-based businesses. Most of these children have never experienced childhood happiness nor have hope for the future. In the fight against such hidden and pervasive forms of child labor and poverty conditions, Help a Child of India works on creating futures for such children and helping them to complete school and higher education. Help a Child of India is working across 10 states, providing hope and happiness to children. The non-profit organization believes child development needs to begin from conception, and early childhood development programs ensure that mothers stay healthy and have healthy babies. Help a Child of India works with the Anganwadis and complements the center by equipping them in villages and provide quality parenting skills to mothers and fathers of the little children, ensuring children enroll and continue education in schools. But unfortunately, lack of opportunities and poverty pushes many children to drop out of school, while Help a Child of India focuses on bringing them back to school.
मैं इससे पहले पढ़ाई को छोड़ करके, पढ़ाई को ठुकरा करके मैं बाहर चला गया कमाने का ख्याल से, और उसके बाद जब मैं आया तो बाल संसद के द्वारा मुझे हेल्प ए चाइल्ड के जरिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया, और पढ़ाई का महत्व क्या होता है वो तो हम पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा जानते नहीं थे, और जब बाल संसद के द्वारा बताया गया कि पढ़ाई का महत्व क्या होता है और पढ़ाई के बगैर ज़िंदगी कैसा होता है और पढ़ाई करने के बाद ज़िंदगी कैसा होता है, तो इस चीज़ को मैंने ध्यानपूर्वक सुना, और उसके बाद मैं सोचा कि पढ़ना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है लाइफ के लिए। उसके बाद मैं पढ़ना शुरू किया, और पढ़ाई जब शुरू किया तो 9वीं का परीक्षा पास किया, उसके बाद 10वीं का परीक्षा पास किया, और अच्छा मार्क्स है, 270 नंबर है, सेकेंड डिवीज़न है, और साथ ही साथ मैं इंटर में एडमिशन भी करवा लिया हूँ और आगे की पढ़ाई का तैयारी कर रहा हूँ। हेल्प ए चाइल्ड के ज़रिए से कुछ सीखा जो हूँ उसके ज़रिए गा करके भी मैं सोचता हूँ, हेल्प ए चाइल्ड का एहसान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा, हेल्प ए चाइल्ड का एहसान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा, हेल्प ए चाइल्ड का एहसान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा, हेल्प ए चाइल्ड ने जो दिया ज्ञान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा, हेल्प ए चाइल्ड ने जो दिया ज्ञान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा, हाँ हेल्प ए चाइल्ड का एहसान कैसे मैं भूलूँगा। इसी के साथ मैं पूरे हेल्प ए चाइल्ड को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय हेल्प ए चाइल्ड ऑफ इंडिया।
Like Sant Bihar Mehra, thousands of children are being supported by Help a Child of India, helping them realize the importance of education as a means for empowerment. Not just that, the love, care and individual attention provided promotes love for the services of Help a Child of India across the nation.
मैं एक गरीब परिवार से हूँ। मैं कभी सोची भी नहीं थी कि मैं 10वीं क्लास पढ़ पाऊँगी। इसी दौरान हेल्प चाइल्ड के द्वारा ट्यूशन पढ़ाया गया 3 महीना कोर्स, उस बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई होता था। इसी के बदौलत मैं 10वीं क्लास अच्छे मार्क्स से पास कर पाई। 10वीं क्लास में मेरा नंबर है 356, और इसका सारा श्रेय मैं हेल्प चाइल्ड को देना चाहती हूँ।
जिनके पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं ना, वो पढ़ नहीं पाते हैं, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझे जितनी स्नेह मिली है इस हेल्प ए चाइल्ड से, और मैं भी चाहती हूँ कि मेरे से छोटे छोटे भाई बहन जो भी हैं वो भी हेल्प ए चाइल्ड के हेल्प से आगे चल के पढ़े। हेल्प ए चाइल्ड नहीं होता तो आज मैं 2nd डिवीज़न नहीं करती।
Leave alone quality of education. Even access to basic education is a challenge in the communities that Help a Child of India works in. Lack of transport and basic amenities leaves most schools in the villages non-functional. The income of the families of the poor farmers is so meager that unbelievingly helps them only have 2 square meals a day. Children cry for basic needs of education. Help a Child of India works with the local government schools in such interior districts and provides support, improving facilities in schools through the school management committees that are being facilitated to function effectively. All that the children need is an opportunity, and in our Child Opportunity Centres, we provide children opportunities for cognitive, social and health development and help them evolve as leaders in their respective communities while becoming agents of change. Our child leadership programs build children to become representatives and emerging leaders of their communities, addressing their community issues. Our Stree Shakti programs bring together the mothers and women in the communities we work in and provide them a second chance to learn and become active contributing members in their respective families. Our Women Opportunity Centres provide opportunities for women to form joint liability groups, providing literacy, which includes financial literacy as well, and helps them start small businesses or become employable. And not just that, they too become a catalyst in their community development. Many of them are entrepreneurs on their way to bring a big change in their society. Today, our poor farmers, with the help of soft loans and training facilitated by Help a Child of India on the latest techniques in agriculture, are turning wastelands into a land of produce of vegetables and other appropriate grains and are able to have a surplus in their fields. Animal husbandry is another means to economic development. Through dairy and milk cooperatives, many families feel totally blessed and have a Zola farming and other support provided, which has resulted in increased milk production and has helped them become sustainable. Milk federations are formed, trained in new techniques, and connected to local milk companies such as Sudha, Kosi Dairy, etc.
हम एक साधारण किसान छिए रहिए बहुत कम जमीन छै वो जिससे हमार आर्थिक स्थिति कमजोर रहे छै वो हेल्प ए चाइल्ड के तरफ से हमरा एकटा गाय मिलले या साथ साथ ट्रेनिंग भी दिलवेने छै और जिससे कि मुझे 160 70 80 लीटर प्रतिदिन दूध है छै जिसमें हमरा प्रति माह 8000 रुपया प्रति माह आमदनी है छै जैसे हमार आर्थिक स्थिति सुदृढ़ है बाल बच्चा के हम पढ़ाई लिखाई रहल छिए आगे बढ़ रहल छै हमर बाल बच्चा हम भी अपना आगे बढ़ रहल छिए इसके लिए मैं हार्दिक रूप से हेल्प ए चाइल्ड को बहुत बहुत सा धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं।
Or youth opportunity centers. Youth in the project areas are also provided skills such as computers, masonry and driving by which they become employable, self-employed and others go on to become entrepreneurs. Our community empowerment approach works towards enabling communities to increase control over their lives. In a span of 8 to 10 years, we believe that communities can stand sustainable and with a life of dignity. The journey is on in many of the villages we work. Some of them now stand as sustainable models, while others are in the path of development. We would like you to be a part of transforming Indian villages and the urban poor to break free from poverty while realizing what they just need is an opportunity. Help a Child of India creates opportunities, fights poverty. we invite you to join us in this noble vision of creating futures for children. You could make your kind contribution to Help a Child of India by calling 2621 2621 or 86 2000 8000 or visit our website www.helpachildofindia.org. Help a Child of India, creating futures for children.